Okay, the following stretches are focused on the lower back, which, as you can see, the muscles travel the entire length of the spine. The first stretch is both a low back and hip stretch. Simply crossing your foot over your knee and pushing your knee down towards the floor, you're stretching both the hip joint as well as the lower back. This stretch is specific for the lower back. Stretch to the center, stretch to the right and the left side. Try and hold the stretch 5 to 10 seconds. Stretches is to focus on the lower back. The first stretch, we want to grab either knee and pull it straight in and hold it for at least 5 seconds. Comfortable stretch. And then we're going to switch and grab the other knee and pull it straight in. Okay, the second stretch, we're going to grab the opposite knee and we're going to pull it across to the opposite shoulder as we bring it up to the shoulder. And then we're going to switch and grab the opposite knee, pull it across and up to the opposite shoulder. The third stretch, we're going to place one foot on the opposite side of the other knee. We're going to grab the knee with the opposite hand. We're going to place the other hand on the hip to remind us not to lift the hip on this stretch, and we're just going to pull across. And then we're going to switch and put the opposite foot, opposite knee, opposite hand, and pull across, remembering not to lift the hip. And then the last stretch, knee over knee. Whatever knee is on top, you stretch to that side. So in this case, the right knee is on top, so we're stretching the left side. And you want to really pull it across, lifting the hip as much as you can on this stretch. And then we're going to switch. And we're going to the side of the top knee, going across as far as we can. And these stretches can be done up to 30 seconds each, but at least 5 to 10 seconds. Stretch is designed for patients who have difficulty extending back. This is called a seal stretch. So the first part of the stretch, we're going to get on the elbows. And this stretch can be done while you're watching TV or reading, and you can stay in this position for quite a while. Good static stretch. The second part of the stretch, we're going to push up just the upper body, trying to keep the hips flat on the floor or on the table, and hold just for a few seconds, and then go back down to the elbows to a more comfortable stretch. One more time, we push up for just a few seconds, and of course this will be a more aggressive stretch into extension.